Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the Let's get into the stories that matter. Seprod announced to shareholders that it plans to cash in on its large land assets in St. Thomas, which is poised for growth from billions of dollars in infrastructure that is being pumped into the parish. Over the last 2 decades, Seprod has purchased thousands of acres of land in St. Thomas in places like Surge, Belvedere, Coley, and Bowden, where it has purchased estates for growing sugarcane for sugar production, mango, sheep, and dairy cattle rearing for fresh milk and honey production. During the course of the shareholders meeting, Seprod Chairman PB Scott reports that Seprod has made significant progress on the development of its lands in St. Thomas. A plan to reduce the use of checks in Jamaica over the next 2 years is behind a decision by Scotiabank to stop accepting and issuing checks valued at $1 million or more. In a notice to clients, the bank has advised that the change will take effect on September 1. It says the move forms part of an initiative with the Jamaica Bankers Association to support the country's digital transformation while making financial transactions more secure, efficient, and convenient. Customers carrying out transactions of $1 million Jamaican dollars or more are being encouraged to use the real-time gross settlement service instead. Scotiabank says RTGS is available online and at its branches, providing a secure and reliable way to transfer funds quickly while allowing customers to better track their transactions. For the trading period of June 30, 2026, the most actively traded securities were One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 19,274,422 units, representing 27.72% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited with 15,347,183 units, representing 22.07% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 5,260,740 units, representing 7.57% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on the Bank of Jamaica data for June 30, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.51 and buying for $156.15. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gain supported by $5.02 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.50 and was bought for $106.48. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $4.55 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $208.20 and was bought for $203.65. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, before you say I do, ask this question: who is leading your financial future? Most couples spend months planning a wedding and not even a few seconds looking at their credit report. Very few spend even one evening planning how they will make financial decisions together. Yet one of the greatest tests of a relationship isn't how much two people love each other, it's how they respond when their financial realities are vastly different. Imagine this. One partner has worked for years to maintain an excellent credit score, avoids unnecessary debt, and values financial security. The other is carrying significant debt, has a poor credit history, and is trying to recover from past financial decisions. This isn't simply a difference in numbers, it's a difference in financial habits, risk tolerance, and decision making. The instinct is often for the financially stronger partner to rescue the other by co-signing a loan, consolidating debt, or taking on financial obligations in the name of love. That is rarely leadership. Real financial leadership means helping your partner build financial capability, not creating financial dependence. A relationship should multiply opportunity, not multiply financial risk. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.